to expand your craft product line with a reliable, high-demand machine? Meet the CWB1201 Bookbinding Machine, engineered for scrapbooking, journals, planners, and DIY bookmaking. Designed to support retail sales and end-user satisfaction, this machine combines punching and wire closing in one compact system, ideal for home, office, and creative markets. The adjustable alignment guide ensures accurate positioning across multiple paper sizes. The rotatable alignment guide and positioning peg support continuous punching for longer pages and oversized formats. Equipped with selectable punch pins, the machine supports flexible binding formats, helping avoid awkward half-hole issues and improving material compatibility. The integrated wire holder hook streamlines workflow, enabling faster page loading and improving usability. Our precision adjustable wire closer ensures precise wire closure across different wire diameters, delivering consistent, professional binding results. A built-in handle lock keeps the handle securely closed, enhancing safety while saving storage space.